So guys, if you have an application that's not working properly and you want to reset it, you want to head over to search and then you want to type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your program that you're having a problem with, and then you want to click on the three dots, and then you want to click on modify. Now for some of these applications, it's not actually going to show modify for you, and it might also say advanced options instead of modify. So let's say that I have this application right here, I'm going to click on advanced options. And then also another thing as well, some applications might not even appear on the add or remove programs list that you were just on. So instead, you just want to head over to search, and then type in your application name, then you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on app settings, which will also bring you to here as well. And now once you're in here, you just want to scroll down, and you have a couple options. So you could just terminate it first. I recommend doing that. Make sure you have everything saved if you're going to do this. And then you have two more options, repair and reset. So if you guys want to reset it, just click on this right here. Just so you know that the app data is going to be deleted. Or you could just click on repair. I recommend just trying repair first, and then see if that fixes your problem. If not, then you want to click on reset. So then that's how you do it. And also, if you click on reset, you could also try to restart your computer after that, and then hopefully that'll fix your problem as well.